In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning half-face text portrait using Canva. This project is perfect for creating eye-catching posters, unique profile art, or standout social media posts. So let's dive right in and get started. Firstly, you'll need to open Canva. If you don't have an account already, you can easily create one for free. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new design. To do this, simply click on the Create a Design button. Now, it's important to choose the right template size that suits your project. We suggest going for an A4 size or an Instagram post size, as these are versatile and widely used options. Next up, you'll need to head over to the Uploads tab, which you'll find conveniently located on the left side menu. This is where you'll upload your chosen portrait photo for this project. Once you've uploaded your image, drag it onto the canvas. You'll likely need to resize it to fit the canvas just right, which you can easily do by using the corner dots. Drag these until your image is perfectly placed within the frame. Now for the fun part. Click on Elements from the left sidebar to add some creative flair. Insert a square shape and position it so that it covers exactly half of the face in your photo. You might need to resize this shape to ensure a perfect fit. Here's where your creativity starts to shine. Change the square's color to any solid shade you like. A bold black or a vibrant blue can work really well. Moving on, it's time to add your text. To do this, click on Text in the sidebar. Select Add a Heading, and this is where you can type in your message or favorite quote. Once your text is in place, resize it and adjust so that it fills the half of the face that's covered by the square. This step is crucial for creating that dramatic half-face text effect. Now, let's talk about formatting your text for the best visual impact. Open Advanced Settings to adjust line spacing, which will help you align the text more precisely. Depending on your background color, change the text color to either black or white to make it pop even more. To add a bit more contrast to your image, align the text with the covered face, duplicate the square shape you used earlier and drag it over to the opposite side of the canvas. Change this new square's color to a crisp white. Finally, right-click and send backward to ensure it sits behind your main image, creating a layered effect. When you're happy with how everything looks, click on Share and then Download to save your design. You'll need to delete all top layers for this next step, and insert the downloaded image back into Canva. To blend everything together seamlessly, click on Apps in the sidebar and search for Blend Images. Select the text image as your top layer and the original portrait as the bottom layer. Then click Use Selected Image to blend them together. Lastly, click Add to Design to finalize your creation. Delete any previous layers that are no longer needed, then reposition and resize your new blended image until it feels just right. Make any final adjustments for symmetry, and voila, you're done. And there you have it. You've just made a sleek, artistic half-face text portrait using Canva, ready for you to save and share with the world. Enjoy crafting your masterpiece, and don't forget to share your unique designs with your friends or followers.